Non pas c'est Catherine Bélizier. Musique ça c'est pour gouvernement, gouvernement qui a prêté serment, qui a grain dans yo, qui a souri, qui a juste pantalon yo en bas ventre yo, mais dans poche. Et puis cap souri tandis que peuple a dans misère. Côté l'autre nation noire yo a critiqué nous. Qui faute lié faute gouvernement nan qui fait ça? Côté ou pas connaît haïtien c'était premier peuple noir qui te ba yo indépendance. Mais je dis y a traité haïtien mal, y a dit haïtien pas voyen. Qui faute lié faute gouvernement pas nan. Ou même premier ministre chanter ça c'est pour avec Saint Kit qui sorti dans l'autre pays noir qui a critiqué peuple haïtien. Saint Kit, you are living a perfect life today without having any idea this side of history. I hope you are listening carefully.
I wanna say something to all Haitian people, my people. This song is for Sankia, the Haitian hater, who live her life peacefully without any idea of the history. Sam Keats, you say Haiti got nothing to show. Call it a place where no good things grow. But let me tell you something you need to know. Haiti's the flame that made freedom glow. You say it's broken, you say it's poor, but look at the history, open the door. First black nation to rise and roar. Freedom's the gift we give the world for sure. What did Haiti do to you to make your heart so cold, so blue? We fought, we stood, we broke chains. Now every black nation knows our name. What did Haiti do to you to make your hate shine through? We lit the fire that won the fight. Haiti's the dawn, Haiti's the light. Sang keep you blind to the strength we hold. Mountains of courage, stories untold. Toussaint Dessalines, they stood so bold. Their legacy lives in every soul. You say it's broken, you say it's poor, but look at the history, open the door. First black nation to rise and roar. Freedom's the gift we gave the world.